Crypto candlestick patterns are one of the most essential concepts every trader must understand. And learning them is the foundation of becoming profitable in the cryptocurrency market because they reveal market psychology, trader behavior, momentum, and potential trend direction. Many new traders jump into the market without understanding what each candlestick represents, and this often leads to losses because they cannot correctly interpret market structure, price action, or the emotional reactions of buyers and sellers who create those candlesticks. A single candlestick shows for important pieces of information: the opening price, the closing price, the highest price, and the lowest price within a particular time frame, and by observing these details, traders can predict whether the market is leaning bullish or bearish. The open and close of a candlestick determine whether it is bullish or bearish, and the wicks show the price rejection zones that usually signal whether buyers or sellers attempted to push the price in a certain direction but failed. Because candlestick analysis is directly connected to support and resistance levels. A trader who does not understand crypto chart patterns will always struggle in volatile environments since cryptocurrencies move faster and more unpredictably than traditional markets. Crypto candlestick patterns, such as bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing, doji candles, hammer candles, shooting star patterns, morning star patterns, evening star patterns, and the famous head and shoulders formation are used by traders to identify trend reversals and trend continuations. When a bullish engulfing pattern forms at a strong support zone, it often indicates that the buyers are taking control of the market, and that reversal may lead to a major upward rally. Meanwhile, a bearish engulfing candle appearing near a strong resistance level usually signals an upcoming decline because sellers have gained strength, rejecting the higher prices. Understanding these signals is important for anyone actively trading Bitcoin, Ethereum, altcoins, stablecoins, and especially meme coins that often display exaggerated volatility. Crypto traders use candlestick patterns to time entry and exit points, maximize gains, reduce losses, and increase their accuracy by relying on objective price data instead of emotions or random market speculation. A trader who uses candlestick analysis combined with indicators like RSI, MACD, and moving averages becomes more consistent because candlestick interpretations reveal what indicators sometimes hide: raw price movement. Candlestick psychology plays an important role in crypto trading because each candle represents the emotions of millions of traders around the world. A long wick at the top of a candle usually signals aggressive selling pressure, which means the market rejected higher prices, and this can lead to a reversal if it aligns with an overbought condition. A long wick at the bottom usually signals buying pressure and indicates that the market rejected lower prices, showing the presence of strong buyers. When the market forms multiple doji candles in a row, it often signals indecision, meaning neither buyers nor sellers are in full control, and this usually precedes a major breakout or breakdown. Crypto whales also manipulate candlesticks by triggering fakeouts designed to trap retail traders, especially during high-impact news events such as Federal Reserve decisions, inflation reports, major crypto exchange announcements, or sudden fake pump movements created by large wallets. Because of this, studying candlestick patterns in combination with trading volume is critical, as high volume confirms a genuine move, while low volume may indicate a false breakout. Crypto candlestick patterns also help traders identify momentum shifts that would otherwise be invisible. For example, a rising wedge or falling wedge formation often results in sudden breakouts when pressure builds in one direction. Momentum indicators combined with candlestick pattern recognition create a powerful trading strategy because they reveal both direction and strength. Many price action traders rely solely on candlesticks because they believe raw chart data shows everything needed to understand the market. Every crypto candle tells a story: whether fear is driving the market, whether greed is controlling buyers, whether the trend is bullish, bearish, or exhausted, and whether liquidity is being targeted by algorithms. You can see this clearly when liquidation cascades occur on futures exchanges, where dramatic candles form due to high leverage positions being wiped out. When these patterns form near liquidity zones, informed traders can predict whether the market maker intends to move upward or downward next. The importance of understanding candlestick formations in crypto cannot be overstated because cryptocurrencies behave differently from traditional markets. Crypto trades 24/7, has no closing bell, and reacts faster to global events. This means crypto candlestick patterns sometimes form more quickly and require faster decision-making. Traders who understand patterns like 3 white soldiers, 3 black crows spinning tops, inverted hammers, dragonfly, doji, gravestone, doji, harami patterns, and tweezer tops or bottoms have a significant advantage over traders who simply buy based on hype or social media signals. Candlestick mastery allows you to identify reversal zones even before an indicator confirms the trend, making it a powerful tool for predicting market sentiment. Many beginners lose money because they misunderstand what candles are telling them. They see a big green candle and assume the market will continue upward without checking whether the candlestick is forming near resistance or has weak volume. Candlestick patterns also provide clarity during volatile crypto pump and dump movements. When strong bullish candles appear with long lower wicks, traders know buyers are stepping in aggressively. When strong bearish candles appear with long upper wicks, traders can identify exhaustion or rejection. These insights allow traders to set better stop losses and take profit levels because they understand where market pressure is strongest. Cryptocurrency trading is heavily influenced by liquidity hunts, where price briefly breaks key levels to trigger stop losses before reversing, and these movements are always visible inside the candlestick structure. A trader who ignores candlestick formations is like a driver ignoring road signs. Disaster becomes almost unavoidable. The beauty of candlestick analysis is that it works across all cryptocurrencies, all time frames, and all market conditions. Whether you're analyzing Bitcoin's long-term trend on the weekly chart, day trading Solana on the 5-minute chart, or swing trading altcoins on the 4-hour chart, candlestick patterns will always provide valuable insights. They help you avoid emotional decisions and instead rely on data-driven analysis. They help you identify trend continuation patterns like bullish flags, bearish flags, ascending triangles, descending triangles, and symmetrical triangles. These patterns often lead to massive breakouts because they show consolidation before major market movement. Understanding these formations is essential for anyone hoping to become a successful crypto trader in 2025 and beyond. Candlestick patterns are also essential for identifying fake market moves. Many crypto traders fall into traps because they don't recognize common manipulation patterns like fakeouts, stop hunts, bull traps, and bear traps. However, these traps always appear clearly in candlestick behavior when you know what to look for. A sudden large candle with no follow-through, a reversal candle at a key level, or a long wick showing failed continuation are all clues that the market is attempting to deceive inexperienced traders. This is why combining candlestick patterns with market structure and trend analysis forms a stronger trading strategy. As crypto becomes more mainstream, the importance of understanding how candlesticks work continues to grow because trading volume increases, liquidity deepens, and institutions begin using advanced strategies. Whether you're trading spot crypto, futures, margin positions, or simply analyzing charts for long-term investment opportunities, candlestick knowledge remains one of the most powerful tools in your crypto trading arsenal. It is the language of the market, revealing emotions, liquidity, momentum, manipulation, and direction. By mastering candlestick formations, traders gain clarity and confidence, knowing how to navigate bullish trends, bearish trends, consolidations, breakouts, breakdowns, and reversals. If you found this deep dive into crypto candlestick patterns valuable, make sure you subscribe, stay tuned, and keep learning with me so you can master crypto trading and build real long-term success in the market.